Hello, my name is Antonio Sandifer, and I was speaking to you today about from the video "How Great Leaders Inspire Action" by Simon Sinek. As I was watching the video, I was very impressed by his conversation on why we follow great leaders. And as I began to reflect on my personal life and people I have followed, certain dreams and visions that I believe in, I realized it's not necessarily the movement or the energy or the inspiration of the particular person, but what it is the why that's behind that person's drive. For example, there's an organization that my wife and I have been a part of for almost 10 years now, or probably over 10 years, and they sell consumable products. The organization is it's called Melaleuca, and the founder of the organization name is Frank Vandersloot. And what Frank has done, when we go to the rallies and the inspirational things that they do, he sell the why behind the products because he sell like toothpaste, dish soap, basic consumable things that you could buy at any store. You can also easily buy it at the Dollar Tree for a very cheaper price. For example, there's a tube of toothpaste. It's a teeth polisher that costs about $5. And you could easily get the same product with the same ingredients in it from the Dollar Tree for $1. But we choose, and we've been purchasing this toothpaste for over 10 years from this organization because of the why. Why? Because of how it affects the environment. It's a natural product that we know will make our body more healthy. So we went with this company and did everything to excuse me, to get other people to be a part of this organization as well. Also in life, we are devout Christians. And we teach other people the message of Jesus Christ, not because of the man, Jesus Christ, but because of the message behind the man that he came to save souls. His whole purpose of coming to earth was to save people's soul, to save the lost, so that we would not end up in hell. And I have been a devout believer in the teachings of Jesus Christ because of the why. And I go out and share the message with people every day because of why we do what we do. People believe in us because of the why. Also, as Simon was talking, he talks about how organizations hire other people because of the why. As I've sat on several interview panels and heard many people talk about their skills, their abilities, their talents, what they can do, what they can offer our organization, I'm often listening to, but why? Why did you choose to work for this company? Why did you choose to work for this organization when there's so many other companies out there? And I really get upset when people don't know anything about our organization or our company. And I know that they're not a good fit. They just want a job, just want a check, and they don't want the true message and the belief of what we're doing in our organization. Thank you.